What's up guys, it's the BioChef here. Today we're going to be looking at an example problem about plant cell walls. So, does the plant cell wall A. block H plus from entering cells, B. consist of unusual water-soluble lipids, C. block O2 and CO2 from entering cells, or D. can be loosened, flexible, or rigid? So I'm going to give you guys a second to pause this video and try to answer this on your own. If you said D, can be loosened, flexible, or rigid, you are correct. But why are you correct? Let's look at this option. The reason this is correct is because there are polysaccharides and proteins that are constantly being synthesized and degraded within the cell wall, and this causes the plant cell wall to change its consistency. The cell wall can also be loosened or changed because of environmental factors, such as temperature, water availability, and other stressors. For example, when a plant experiences drought, the wall of the plant cell wall will become much stiffer, which helps to reduce water loss from the cell. So let's look at why these other options are wrong. Let's look at A. Blocks H plus from entering cells. Why is this wrong? Well, for starters, it's because H plus doesn't actually get blocked from entering the plant cell wall. The cell wall doesn't block H plus from entering, it actually regulates the movement of ions like H plus into and out of the cell, which is important for maintaining the plant's overall balance of water and solutes. So because of this, A would be wrong. So let's look at B now. Consists of unusual water-soluble lipids. So this one's wrong too. Even though there are lipids present in like the plant cell membrane and other things like that, the plant cell wall is primarily composed of complex carbohydrates such as cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin, and there are other proteins and structural components in there as well. Remember, even though there are lipids present in the plant cell wall, they are not the main structural component. The complex carbohydrates are. The actual role of lipids in the plant cell wall are to form a protective barrier that helps prevent water loss and protect the cell from pathogens and other environmental stressors. So now let's look at C, blocks O2 and CO2 from entering cells. So yeah, this is not entirely accurate. The plant cell wall does regulate the movement of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide into and out of the cell, but it doesn't completely block them. The permeability of the cell wall to gases is determined by the presence of various transmembrane proteins such as aquaporins that allow for the movement of water and small solutes. So in conclusion, the plant cell wall can be loosened, flexible, or rigid due to the combination of its composition and presence of various hydrophilic and hydrophobic polysaccharides or complex carbohydrates, as I stated before, as well as environmental factors like drought. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.